just kissing on makeup. No, for her kiss, no breakup. Why you sipping on Fago? Don't love that girl, let go. She no time for the payroll. Don't love that girl, let go. Why you sipping on Fago? Why you sipping on Fago? Why you sipping on Fago? Yeah. I just came to run the bang bang, the bang bang. Take those shoes right to the bang bang, bang bang. All my bitches they go gang gang, gang gang. All these broke ones can't relate, you can't. I just came to run the bang bang, the bang bang. Take those shoes right to the bang bang, bang bang.
Hello, welcome back to CuteKR YouTube channel. Hey guys, I'm starting off this video with this Wolford Satin 20 honey color. I'm just saying it because I literally just falling in love with this tights, this color. So I just wanted to show you at the very first. So today's one, Transparenze, the pattern tights. It's lovely, cute, and like sexy tights. I mean patterns. Yay! So it's called Keanocolant, and I got this black color. It has skin patterns as well, but I don't know why I got this black. Maybe I just feeling like the black at that moment when I'm shopping. Before we get into that, please like this video and subscribe my channel. And if you guys wanna see my contents, my exclusive contents, please check out the link of my membership site. You can find it in description box. And also another thing, please let me tell you guys, Korean quality pantyhose, Pantyhose. Please don't forget to shop there. I mean, let's just check it out first, and you will see how. Hold on. So today's pattern tights from Transparenze has a back seamed with ribbon tights, ribbon patterns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think 7 ribbons from your right under your butt to the here toe. So 7 ribbons with having a very hot pattern on your cheeks as well. This model's looking very good. I like this shot. I like this photo shoot. She's just stepping on the airplane and like looking at the back. Love that. Let me open these ones on. Made in Italy. Oh, by the way, sorry. This lovely tights is gifted by my favorite fans from California. Thank you very much. Yay. So, yeah. This is how it look. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. That's like, it's a very fine meshy fabric. I didn't know that. I thought it's just a regular 20 denier sheer pantyhose, but it's mesh, fine mesh fabric. It's just to be honest, it's a little bit minus to me because yeah, I'm not a big fan of mesh, but it's very fine mesh though. I guess I can just layering with this one. I didn't know that. I swear to God, I just opened this package and I didn't know it goes well like layering with this satin 20 as well. But might as well because it's fish, right? Fish net. Sorry, not fish. Funny, I called it fish. Wow, that stitch is really good on your toe. And these ribbon patterns are covered by just a little bit weird silver thingy. And as you see, on your cheek There are some unique, cute patterns. Waistband's fine. And it has a decent cotton cassette. It's decent. Since I love copy color pantyhose, I would just like to layer it like this. It anyways is black, so you won't really see my under tights, but I'm just doing it, might as well. Okay, this fine fishnet mesh fabric is so easy to get snags, so I don't like that part. And then it has, I don't know, I think it's very cute patterns. Here we go. I love these patterns. The silver thing that all cover that ribbon patterns are a little bit flimsy, to be honest. Because when I try this on and I align that seam, it just like the silver things are like flying in the air. So yeah, like that. But once I try this on, it's very cute. Cute ribbon tights. Patterns are lovely. I'd like to put on the high heel for looking better and looking taller. Ta-da! So good thing, let's talk about good thing about this. It's a unique patterns. And I even thought it's just black ribbon patterns, but it covered with the silver. But the silver fabric was a little flimsy. But still, I think that's unique. They putting some more sparkle joy on there, make it more cute, looking cuter. So I like this part. And even though it's covered on underneath my skirt, it has patterns on the near cheek, which is very cute and super unique. So even with my experience, I never had this type of patterns before. So I think it's new to me. I like that part. And what else? Yeah, it's unique. And Transparenze make decent, good quality pantyhose, so I like them. But let's talk about something minus about this is some fine mesh pantyhose, which I didn't know that. Even on the website, I couldn't realize that is. So I thought it's just 20 denier sheer pantyhose. So that one is a little bit minus to me. And with this fine mesh fabric, got like snags so easily. I had no problem with my hands recently wearing other tights, but today I just got this some problem having lots of snags on my hands with this fabric, so I think it's a little bit minus, but it looks good, and also it just gives me a little very subtle shiny look. So this is +2. What is? Yeah, I am actually just bothered to keep looking at the snag, so I just don't really want to say things bad about that, so I will just skip it. Overall, it's very interesting and unique to try this on. I am very honored and I was pleased to try this on. Thank you from my friend. Yeah, rate my outfit with this gray outfit with black pantyhose with a black high heel. Let me know how you like that. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for joining my channel today. Bye guys. 안녕.